Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Pillar English. I'm Emily, and I'm very happy you're here today. If you are learning English and want to talk about your daily routine and how you use your time, this episode is perfect for you. Let me ask you a simple question. Do you feel like you don't have enough time? Many people say, I'm busy, or I don't have time. Time management is something we all talk about in daily life. We talk about it at school, at work, and with friends. Time management means how you plan and use your time. Good time management helps you feel calm and organized. Poor time management can make you feel stressed and tired. Today, we will practice talking about time management in simple English. This episode is made for beginners, so I will use easy words, short sentences, and clear examples. In this episode, you will learn what time management means, how people talk about time in public, how to ask and answer questions about time, how to talk about time in social situations, how to end conversations in a positive way. You don't need perfect English. You just need to listen and try. Learning English is like learning time management. Small steps every day make a big difference. So relax, take a breath, and let's start talking about time management together. Now, let's talk about time management in public situations. People often talk about time when they talk about work, school, or daily life. Here are some common sentences. I'm very busy these days. I need to manage my time better. I'm trying to be more organized. These sentences are simple and natural. In public talks, people often speak politely about time. For example, I have a lot of work this week. I'm working on my schedule. You can also talk about time in a general way. Good time management is important. Planning helps save time. Small breaks are helpful. When you talk in public, you don't need many details. Keep it short and clear. For example, I plan my day every morning. That sentence is enough. People also talk about tools for time management. I use a planner. I set reminders on my phone. These are very common topics at work or school. Talking about time management shows responsibility. It tells others that you care about your tasks and your time. Remember, everyone struggles with time sometimes. Talking about it honestly helps people understand each other better. Now, let's practice questions and answers about time management. Here are some common questions. How do you manage your time? Are you busy these days? How do you plan your day? Simple answers work best. For example, question, how do you manage your time? Answer, I make a daily plan. Question, are you busy today? Answer, yes, I am. I have a lot to do. Another example, question, do you use a planner? Answer, yes, I do. It helps me stay organized. Useful phrases. I try to plan ahead. I need better time management. I'm working on it. If you don't manage your time well, you can say, I'm still learning. I get distracted sometimes. You can also ask others, what about you? How do you manage your time? These questions help start conversations and show interest. Don't worry about perfect answers. Focus on clear communication. practice will help you improve. Time management is a common topic in social interactions. With friends, conversations are casual. I'm busy this week. I need more free time. You can reply, I understand. Me too. Take care. With family, the tone is supportive. You should rest more. Don't work too much. You can answer, I'll try. I'm planning my time better. At school or work, people talk more formally. I need to meet a deadline. I'm organizing my tasks. These sentences are polite and professional. When talking about time, it's important to be respectful. Everyone has different schedules. Instead of saying, you are always late, say, time management can be difficult. You can also share tips politely. I like to plan my day early. Short breaks help me focus. Good social conversations about time help reduce stress and build understanding. We've reached the end of today's episode. Today, we learned how to talk about time management in English. We practiced easy sentences, common questions, and polite answers. We also learned how to talk about time in public and social situations. Time management is a skill. Learning to talk about it in English helps you in daily life, school, and work. Remember, you don't need to change everything at once. One small step is enough. Here's a simple practice for today. Say one sentence in English about how you manage your time. For example, I plan my day every morning. I want to manage my time better. Say it out loud if you can. Thank you for listening to Pillar English. I'm Emily, and I'm proud of your progress. See you in the next episode. Keep learning, keep practicing, and take good care of your time.